on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the truck is already dirty. We just ran Slaughterhouse and now we're gonna hit Redcone. We weren't gonna hit Redcone because the weather report on Onyx said that it was like 85% chance of storms yesterday from 8 a.m. all day, all night. So we were like, we don't want to get stuck up 14,000 feet in a thunderstorm, so we'll just do Slaughterhouse. There's more trees. We'll camp out there. It is so far a really nice day. So finished Slaughterhouse. We came over here. We were like, oh, let's just go camp on Webster. And then we got to talking and we decided we're just gonna hit Redcone. So let's go hit Redcone. So it looks like people have been putting a bunch of rocks that's overexposed at the Gatekeeper there. So I'm probably just going to try and remove some of them because that's just, or maybe I'll go that way. Maybe I'll go hit that one. This is dumb. They put a bunch of rocks at the Gatekeeper. Yeah, let's get them out. So this is restarted, we'll say, and boring. That was the Gatekeeper rock, but now I think I'm going to try and climb that one over there.
Let me see what's going on over there.
Well, I'm going to lock the front because this side's got traction, I feel like.
Yeah, you're just hot center.
Alright, ready?
Oh! I will not be doing this. That's pretty gnarly.
That's how you fucking do that, son. The fucking little IFS that could. see the passenger side, but it looks good. I think you're fine. Hit it, Tony!
Full crank passenger and just hit it. It'll be fun.
The CV homicide.
Fun.
The CV killer over here.
Let me check. You're on your, almost hit your drive shaft.
We're on the trailing arm?
But you're on your diff.
Okay, so which way?
A little bit driver.
We're getting Sean to flex on this side.
You're on your diff. Right there in your middle. You need to go like over here. You can get your driver tire on it. Straight.
Alrighty, so drive shaft and diff skid kept getting hung up there. You see I tried multiple different lines here. Coming up this way, this is where my diff kept hitting, and drive shaft, when I would shift over, drive shaft would hit this rock there. That's what all of that is, and some rubber. So I went a little more passenger here, crawled right up this, up and over this boulder and that boulder. Sliding is just unpredictable, but so far absolutely loving the new Martec 3-link in the rear with the 14-inch Locked Offroad dual rate coilovers and 2.5 by 2.5 hydro bumps. Man, we're at altitude right now. Climbing these hills sucks. But yeah, this thing is super smooth. We hit Slaughterhouse earlier, and I could get going a little faster on that trail. The truck feels so good at speed, like so good. But Cannon's gonna come up, take the bypass, probably that way. He goes that way. I think this way is the way to go. He's gonna go that way. Last time we did this, he messed up his brakes, and going down Redcone with crappy brakes is not what you want. But we're gonna keep going. We got this little mini rock garden. Man, this altitude will just kill you. Woo! Alright, so this, in my opinion, is what makes a trail not really a trail anymore. Because you're just making the hard stuff easy so everybody can do it, which is fine. If you're gonna do that, just get rid of it so the rest of us can have fun. So we're gonna get rid of this stuff.
Alright, lumberjack.
Yep. Don't need that. Is that going to your truck?
This guy's throwing rocks in the truck. Yeah, I got a hard job.
Hold that camera, boy. And this just makes it not fun.
Alright, you can leave a few rocks in there for me.
No, you got a locker now, son. That's probably good, yeah?
Yeah, I mean,
If I gotta tug you again, I'll tug you again.
I'll have to put them back in there.
No. Make trails great again. Let's see if he gets stuck in that divot that we took the rocks and logs out of. Hope you guys like those drone shots. Redcone just never gets old. This view is just insane every single time. And you don't need long travel and 3-link and all that stupid stuff to do this trail, but it can make it more fun for sure. Cannon's got mid-travel, front and rear, and his truck did perfectly fine, but yeah, the views up here, you guys saw from the drone shots, just never get old. Time to go back down. Alrighty, trail is done. We've been on for a little bit. Tent's all set up. Truck's all set up. We just had some bratwurst for dinner and made some new friends. So we're gonna camp with them down here at the bottom of Redcone. But truck feels really, really good. Like really, really good. And I can't wait to take it on a harder trail. We're thinking Holy Cross. I really want to get out to Moab again, but we'll see. I'll probably go next year. But yeah, the Martec kit feels really, really good at high speed as well as low speed crawling over large rocks. So I'm really excited with how the truck feels. But that's gonna wrap up this video. We're gonna go hang out with our new friends and keep partying. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace.